Hi, and welcome to this introductory video to Arts 201 and 202. I am the subject matter expert for these courses. My name is Jennifer Pride, and this video will show you how to navigate the textbook feature for this course and how to introduce your students to the online text. So rather than purchasing a physical textbook, your students will purchase just the online version, which is included in the course price now. So they will simply have to access the course book through the course content. Before the course starts, however, you as the instructor will need to set up the course textbook. So first you'll go to the teacher's guide and follow the MindTap instructions folder here, where you will be asked to do a system check to make sure everything's working, and I'll walk through that here. It looks like Flash is disabled in my browser, so I will have to enable that to make sure that the book is able to work in my browser. One of the main things students will have an issue with, however, is pop-ups. So they will need to make sure that pop-ups are enabled in whichever browser they are using. Okay, so disable the pop-up blocker, and then the next step will be how to activate and copy your course in MindTap. There's a video here that helps you.
Activating your MindTap resource within your given Liberty Blackboard class. What you'll want to do once you're in your section within Blackboard is go to the Teacher's Guide on the left-hand navigation. Once you're in there, there may be some stepped-out information at the top level from which you'll want to follow the exact directions, or they may have been provided in a subfolder, like we see here. Regardless, the first step that you'll want to do is to run a system check to make sure that your computer and browser are optimized to use MindTap. For browsers, we recommend Google Chrome and Firefox. Click on the system check link and note which area that you did not get a check in, and you may want to do something to remedy that. In this case, we see that Flash is disabled, but I may need to update the latest version. The most important of these is that you enable pop-ups for Google Chrome or Firefox. If this is your particular issue, in step 2, there is a video which details that process. You should see a course key somewhere in your directions, which is a string of letters and numbers, such as that we would see here, or it may be even longer. Regardless, copy this course key. Then you'll note in your instructions that there should be a Cengage MindTap link. You'll know that it's a MindTap link because it has the Cengage circular blue icon to the left of it. When you click on this link, if you've never accessed a Cengage resource within Liberty's Blackboard before, you might see this screen asking you to enter in your Cengage email address and password. If you've set that up, simply enter that in right here and click Login. If you forgot your password, you can click the Forgot option, enter in your email address and click Continue to be sent an email to reset that. Or you can click Create New Account to establish one right then and there. Alternatively, you may reach out to your Cengage contacts to set this up for you. When you're ready, though, simply enter in that information here. On the next screen that comes up with the course key in your clipboard, select Copy from another instructor's course. Then, paste in the course key that was provided to you, click Verify, and then enter in your unique section information. Notably, the course name, start date, end date, and time zone. After having done this, click Continue in the bottom right. This will create your unique section of MindTap, tied to your individual section within Blackboard. Click Enter, click anywhere to get rid of the grayed out overview, and you should be in the resource.
Okay, so that video shows you how to do what you are following in these steps here. This is the course key, so you will need to highlight the entire key and choose Copy from another instructor's course. Click Verify and then enter this key. And that will activate, and I'll go through that with you in just a moment. That will activate the course. There's links here for troubleshooting. You can meet the team who will help you if you have any questions, and there's also phone numbers if you have any questions. So what you'll do is go to Textbooks, click here to access MindTap, and if you haven't already set it up, this is where you will go through the steps to insert the key. It will ask for your login and the course key. I've already set it up so it automatically goes into the chapters for Art History 1. For Art History 2, there is a different key that's listed in the course, and it will show chapters 15 and beyond. So let's click here and I'll open up the Art History 2. You'll see it's the same information, however, it's going to be a different course key. We'll go into the MindTap folder, and there's your key for this that you will copy and paste to set up the course. Your students will access the book within their course content. there's a new section here that you'll see where it instructs them how to do the same steps you did, the system checkup, pop-up blocker, etc. That they do not have to purchase anything but the online. They can purchase a print rental if they wish. That's up to them. But all the steps here are here for them to follow. And then as we go through each week, you'll see that in the reading and study section, they have a link to the chapter. And the first week, it gives them all the information again just to make sure that they're accessing it. But all they have to do is click on the link for the chapter that we're working on in this particular week, and it will take them there. It's important to keep in mind that the chapters listed here are simply for reading only. Yes, there are study guides, quizzes, and additional materials, but those are simply for the student if they have interest in doing it. There's lots of materials available here for further research. However, none of these quizzes or information is necessary for our purposes in grading. All of the quizzes are in Blackboard, and all of the assignments are in Blackboard. So you won't be doing anything with MindTap, and the students won't be required to do anything with MindTap except for read the textbook. That is for textbook reading only. All other assignments are in Blackboard. If you have any questions, you're free to reach out to me. You can also, of course, reach out to the Cengage team, who has all of the information you need and will be able to walk you through. Be sure to call this number, or you can do an online chat, etc. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, my name is Jennifer Pride. I'm the subject matter expert for Arts 201, Arts 202, and all the other undergraduate art history and graduate art history courses. My email is jspride, PRIDE, @liberty.edu. Thank you, and have a great day.